In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermarks in n8n in 2025. Watermarking is a crucial technique for protecting your digital content or adding brand recognition to your images. Whether you're using it for personal projects or for professional branding, we'll walk through the necessary steps to get you up and running with watermarking in n8n using either an existing template or a dedicated API like the JSONcut API. Let's begin with the template method. This is particularly useful if you're looking for a straightforward approach or new to using n8n. First, open your n8n interface and look for the Templates section. This is a library of pre-configured solutions that can streamline your workflow creation. Once you're there, use the search bar and type in watermark to find relevant templates. These templates will have predefined nodes and logic tailored for adding watermarks. When you find a template that suits your needs, click on it to view its details, and then proceed to import it directly into your workflow. This step effectively sets the foundation for automatic watermarking. Now, to really make your workflow functional, you'll need to begin with a trigger. This is the node that will activate your workflow and can be something like a form trigger for manual inputs or an HTTP request node if you're integrating with a web app. Ensure that you have both your main image and the watermark image available. These can be provided either through direct user uploads or by specifying URLs if the images are stored online. Next, you need to composite the images together. Using specific nodes or API calls, you can layer the watermark over your main image. This often involves customizable options, such as scaling the size of your watermark, adjusting its transparency, and choosing its position on the image. You might want the watermark centered or perhaps tucked away in the bottom left corner, depending on your preference and the desired level of subtlety or visibility. Once your image and the watermark are combined, adjust the watermark settings to get the look just right. Configuring details like size, opacity, and precise placement can make all the difference. These refinements ensure your watermark protects your image without overwhelming it. And finally, with your watermarking process complete, you'll need to decide on the output for your watermarked image. You can elect to save it directly to a file system for later use or opt to download it immediately if you need to share or utilize it right away. This simple workflow easily integrates watermarking into your digital projects using n8n's powerful automation tools. And that's it. You've successfully added a watermark using n8n. As always, feel free to explore and tweak the workflow to better fit your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content just like this.